Bonjour à tous! If you're learning French, you know that greetings are your golden ticket to making friends and sounding like a real local. Today, I'll walk you through the essential French salutations, and I'll sprinkle in some tips so you never get stuck at, bonjour? Let's start with the basics. The classic bonjour means good morning or simply hello. You can use it from sunrise until late afternoon. Imagine you step into a French bakery. Smile, say bonjour, and you'll instantly blend in. As the day winds down, switch to bonsoir. That's good evening. If you're meeting friends for dinner or walking into a cozy cafe after 6 p.m., bonsoir is your go-to greeting. Now, for the informal vibe. Meeting up with close friends? A cheerful salute works perfectly. Salute is like saying hey or hi in English. Just remember, keep it for people you know well. Using it with your boss might get you some funny looks. Let's add some polite flair. When you want to ask how someone is doing, say, comment ça va? That's how are you. For a more formal version, try comment allez-vous? When your friend replies with ça va bien, merci, they're saying I'm good, thanks. Don't forget to return the question. In French, it's common to ask et vous or et toi. Both mean and you. The first is formal, the second is casual. Now saying goodbye is just as important. Au revoir is your formal goodbye. Use it when leaving a shop, a meeting, or when you want to be polite. If it's with friends, say salut. Again, it works for both hi and bye. Or, for extra flair, try à bientôt. That's see you soon. Alright, quick recap. Bonjour, bonsoir, salut, comment ça va? Au revoir, à bientôt. With these greetings, you're ready to start every French conversation with confidence. Practice them in front of the mirror, or, better yet, use them in your next French class or trip to Paris. Merci et à bientôt.